We have made it to week 6 of action research. You are on the downhill slide to getting your presentation and your project wrapped up. So you are probably wrapping up your data this week and putting the finishing touches on your paper. So our learning objective for this week is for us to review whether our paper and our presentation meets the expectations outlined in the grading rubrics. And you'll remember that you can find the grading rubrics for this class at the very top of our Moodle shell, under where it says lights, camera, action research is where those rubrics can be found. As we scroll down a bit here under instruct, there is a PowerPoint for helping you make effective presentations. This PowerPoint will give you some helpful suggestions for preparing your project presentation. So as long as you cover all sections of your paper, all 8 sections that are on the rubric, and you cover those in your presentation, and you include visuals of your data. So you're going to have your qualitative and your quantitative data, and you'll have a chart or graph for your quantitative and a chart or graph for your qualitative. At least you'll share those visuals. You're going to share your research design type or types, and your presentation is going to last between 5 and 10 minutes, and that will guarantee a very effective presentation. So look at those rubrics for some help. We have an Eat the Frog video, which talks about how sometimes we procrastinate when there's something that we don't want to do. And this Eat the Frog video encourages us to take the thing that we're most dreading doing and getting it done first. So that's what our forum is about this week. You will tell me what part of your project or presentation you are most procrastinating on and the one that you need to get done first. And then finally, we wrap up with 40 inspirational speeches in 2 minutes. Hopefully this fun video will put a smile on your face as you put your finishing touches on your action research project. Now remember, as you're doing your presentation, you could do it in Screencast-O-Matic if you would like, which is an audio-visual software program. And there's a cheat sheet on how to use Screencast-O-Matic in our Moodle shell for you to use. But if you don't like that audio-visual software, you can use any one that you prefer. You could do a PowerPoint with a voiceover for your presentation. You can use Powtoon, Animoto, Movie Maker, or any other audio-visual presentation software that you like. And just a reminder, maybe your data is not coming out how you expected it to, and I want to remind you that that will have no effect at all on your grade. Whether your strategy worked or not is not going to affect your project grade. Remember, all we care about is we're trying to go through the steps of the action research process and practice those steps, so we'll learn how to do them and be committed to doing them and using them in the future. So if your data didn't come out exactly as you like, don't sweat it. Remember, I'm here as a resource as you wrap up this class. So if you need any help on doing your presentation, or you have questions about your paper, please don't hesitate to call me at work or on my cell phone, or you're welcome to email me, or you can also post a question for the instructor in the forum at the very top of the Moodle shell, because maybe all of us have that same question. So however you'd like to reach out to me, I'm happy to help you. So have a great week, and I'm looking so forward to seeing your presentations and reading your project papers.